This is the big intake, Taida big intake. It goes right here. And they give you really nice gaskets for between here and here. And then they have this one that goes on to the black part over here, which goes right here. But what I'm going to do on this, just to make myself feel better, I'm going to, just like this, this is for a CT, it will not fit on this. It's the size is just different, it won't work. But I'm going to hollow this part out over here, and then what I'll do is on the bottom, you see how crisp that edge is? I'm going to do the same thing I did over here. I'm just going to break out a little edge there, and so it can have maybe a little better airflow. It may not help, it may not. It may help, it may not. Who knows? I probably spent 10 hours doing this one, and it turned out pretty good. If you put there's the 30 on it, or 30, sorry, the 33, I'll put it over a white something so you can see, but see, that's a nice intake where it's going to go right on through. There's nothing going to hit there like on this one. Come on, come on, come on. This one, you see, that's just absolutely not good right there. Shit. Let's see. As you can see, it probably has 3 millimeters on each side that need to be taken out. But if you go to do this, one thing I do stress is that the edges of these intakes, they're very close to the there's not a lot of leeway to cut a lot of material off. You have to be careful, and don't make any edges on this. Okay, back to work.